What's the meaning of carry out? Carry out. Carry out.
Carry out. Carry out. The term carry out typically refers to the process of completing or executing a task or action, often in a specific location or setting. The result of a carryout is that the task or action has been successfully accomplished or completed. For example, carrying out a project at work could involve coordinating with team members, allocating resources, and completing tasks on time, resulting in the successful completion of the project. Similarly, carrying out a grocery order would involve selecting and packaging the correct items, resulting in the successful delivery of the order to the customer.